There was a time, years ago, disaster.
The darkness is coming and it's too late.
We are receiving disturbing reports of an alarming crash in the global bee population.
They were in touch with the natural rhythm of life.
Darlings, they're a marvel. Have you ever seen a murmuration? All of them, shrieking, swooping, moving together as one entity.
We shall find peace in the pieces of the sea we take away.
What did I do wrong? The darkness is one.
Nature, she heals.
The plants, the trees, the stones, the tide, all tied together within the cosmic realm.
The energy, I know you feel it.